If you're seeing the error message, the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when the email you're trying to use isn't accepted by OpenAI, or when browser data is causing a sign-in problem. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Now, let's jump in. First, try using a social login instead of typing your email directly into the sign-up field. On the ChatGPT sign-in page, look for the buttons that say Continue with Google, Continue with Microsoft account, or Continue with Apple. These options can often bypass email compatibility issues completely. Click the one that matches the account you already use, then sign in with those credentials. If that works, you've solved the problem without needing to change anything else. If you still get the error, the next thing to check is your email provider. ChatGPT may block certain work, school, or private domain emails, especially if they're tied to custom company domains. So if you're trying to use something like name@yourcompany.com, that could be the reason you're seeing the message. In that case, go back to the sign-up page and try using a personal email from a major provider like Gmail or Outlook. These are more likely to be accepted and can help you get past the error quickly. Now, if the email looks fine but the problem is still happening, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old or corrupted site data can trigger false errors during login or account creation. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Then go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and open Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once the browser is cleaned up, close it, reopen ChatGPT, and try again. If you're still stuck, it can also help to try a different browser or an Incognito window, because that gives you a fresh session with no old data interfering. And if you're on a work or school device, your organization may be limiting access, so testing on a personal device can make a big difference. To recap, the main fixes are to use a social login, switch to a supported personal email like Gmail or Outlook, and clear your browser cache and cookies. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the issue right away. I hope this helped you fix the ChatGPT email error. If it did, please give this video a like. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want more troubleshooting guides for ChatGPT and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.